Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I've come to Pendeford Mill, a nature reserve, very local to home, to see what's about. I've not actually got any idea what I'm going to photograph today, and I like coming and just having a little wander around and seeing. It's such a beautiful reserve. Here I'll just show you where I am in the car park, because they've got a really big car park. And here it is. I don't know how to turn it around. I'll have to take you around this way. Let's see. It's such a lovely reserve. Very sunny today, very warm. Well, let's go on this adventure together and see what we can find. See you later. And look, they've got an open day on the 22nd of June on the board. Plenty of parking. Come and support them and see what they actually do. Maybe have a wander around the reserve and see what you can get on camera. Enjoy. Well, met up with Paul the Ranger and just walked across the field. Had a lovely walk across. It's very sunny. Oh, stunning view. And there's Rocky the horse in the field. Very friendly. Trying to have a look out and see if I can find some green woodpeckers, but I'm not sure what I'm going to find. Can't wait to have a little sit down and see what comes along. Here's Rocky. He's come to say hello. Stunning horse, all the way from Malta. See what else I can find. Well, I've sat for an hour. I haven't found the green woodpecker today. It's gone a bit cloudy and very black, as you can see from the sky. But I'm in the field with my best friends, the cows. They're all chomping on the grass, having a good nose. Can you see them? Yeah, the sky. Not sure if it's going to rain. Gosh, it's been a lovely walk. I'm just going to go around the pools now and see if there's anything around there. It's part of being with nature. You never know what you might see. Like I said, I've come out today not knowing what I'm going to get, if anything, or nothing. That's all wildlife if it's not here, but it's such a lovely place to be, listening to the birds singing and walking, keeping fit. And yeah, I'll keep you informed of anything else I find on my adventure for today. It's very muddy from all the rain we've had, but I mean, just look at the view. Just look. Absolutely stunning. Right, let's see what I can find. See you shortly. Well, I've come down to the pool. Just going around, following the path, and see, maybe the herons are in the trees. They should have had their babies now. And not so long ago, the babies had hatched, but they're high, way high up in the tree. And then I'm just going to the front of the pool Oh, a heron flying over. I don't think you can see it through my camera. It's gone very, very dark. Very dark. Oh, there are quite a few flying. I'm going to have to put my camera phone down, stop videoing and get on clicking. I'll be back shortly. Well, I'm back down the track. I managed to get a heron. I'll put it in the video in a little while. Just walking down the path, around the outside of the pool, listening to the tweets and the noises of the birds. I can hear a lot of crows going off. I'll walk round, see if I can get a better view of the heron. Can't wait for the pigeon just flew off. Just such a lovely day. It's getting a bit warmer now. At least I'm covered in these trees if it does rain, because I didn't bring a coat. Maybe I should put one in my backpack as a list to do. Lovely seeing all these colours. Awesome. Ducks on the water. You see the ducks on the water. So pretty. Right. I don't know if I'm talking a load of rubbish, but it's just so nice to be out in nature. Busy weekend, nice to relax and just chill, look at the reflections and just generally relax. See you shortly. So, listening to all the bird activity. It's very busy. Birds are very busy. I'm going to stand on this bridge for a little bit and see if I can capture some going into the reeds. Such a lovely place down here. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. Something jumping in the water. I don't know if it's a fish. The herons have got lots of dinner. The reflections in the still water whilst I'm on this bridge. Let's have a look. Oh. Look at that. It's so lovely and peaceful. I saw this tree that's been broken down, that's turned into a person. Down the path to the grass, down towards the bridge, crossed over this beautiful little waterfall to the other side. I managed to capture a little wren in the pool. Just have a little mindful moment of some of the pictures I've captured. Enjoy. Well, thank you for coming on my adventure today and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did taking it. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.